Hello, in this video I want to show you how to navigate through base station settings for SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro wireless headset. And to do this, here I have a base station, and make sure that it's powered on so you can see the display. Then simply hold the wheel right here. You can rotate it if you want to change the volume, but if you click and hold it, it will pop open a menu. Right here you can navigate through it by rotating the same wheel, clicking on it once to open any settings. If you want to go back from one setting, click on the wheel on the circle right here, and it will go back to the previous menu. So in this case, let's go for the audio options. If we enter it, we can adjust the equalizer. So let's go right here, click again. And now you can customize the equalizer in the base station. Go back like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.